From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, thankfully much nicer and quieter weather across Acadiana today after the severe storms pushed through yesterday evening, and it's going to stay relatively nice and seasonably cool here over the next couple of days, but going to start to warm up slightly into the weekend, and the pattern is going to start to turn a little bit more unsettled as well, especially by the second half of the weekend on Sunday. Another weather maker is going to be pushing on through, and with that, another good soaking in store here across Acadiana. So we'll break it all down and what we have for now in just a bit. But first, here's a satellite radar composite across the lower 48. And you can see our storm system from yesterday continuing to progress eastward, bringing the threat of some snow showers and regular showers across a good part of the northeast late this evening. Meanwhile, for us, we are on the tail end of this system. No precipitation, but still some lingering cloud cover, and that's keeping our temperatures in check, at least initially late this evening. We're kind of stuck in the 40s, but you can see the cloud cover quickly eroding from west to east, so that will continue to be the case as the night wears on, and eventually we will get back to fair skies, and with that, temperatures dropping into the 30s. Most of us mid to upper 30s by tomorrow morning, so it's going to be a cold start to our Thursday. Make sure you have those jackets and coats on your way out. Otherwise, lots of sunshine throughout the day. It's going to be a beautiful one for sure. It stays cool to chilly, mid to upper 50s into the afternoon. Winds will come in out of the northwest, we'll say, at around 6 to 12 miles per hour. Surface high pressure looks to move pretty much right overhead tomorrow night heading into Friday morning, so that's going to allow temperatures to drop even further. I think most of us low to mid 30s come Friday morning, so probably at least a patchy frost, perhaps light freeze first thing on Friday morning. Otherwise, mostly sunny as we round out the week. Some high-level clouds, though, by the afternoon. That would be about it. And notice temperatures probably a degree or two milder, but pretty much right where we should be for the time of year. We'll say upper 50s to lower 60s. Even more cloud cover as we start the weekend on Saturday, but I think Saturday stays dry. May see one or two isolated showers, but that would be about it. Otherwise, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures upper 60s or so, and then here comes that next weather maker, and that's going to give us a really good chance of some showers, perhaps some thunderstorms there on Sunday. It doesn't appear that we're going to be seeing severe weather or anything like that, but a pretty good soaking. I think most of the area could pick up anywhere from around 2 to 4 inches of rainfall, so we'll watch that closely over the next couple of days. In the short term, though, we are cold tonight. Again, mid 30s there, northern portions of Acadiana, 33 to 34, a pretty good bet. Oakdale, Ville Platte, Opelousas on northward. Mid to upper 30s here along the I-10 corridor, and we should see pretty much similar numbers across the coastal parishes as well. After that cold start, again, we'll call it cool to chilly tomorrow afternoon. We'll go 56 to 57 for that projected high temperature. And then notice we're in the low to mid 30s first thing Friday morning, and then mostly sunny skies into our Friday afternoon, with the exception of some high-level clouds as those high temperatures get up to around 60 degrees. So we're going to go 37, the projected low tonight, at least here in Lafayette. So make sure you have those jackets and coats out the door first thing tomorrow morning. Again, still dealing with the cloud cover initially right now, but we'll get back to fair skies as the night wears on. 57 or so tomorrow afternoon, so definitely going to be a nice sunny and cool day. Again, slight breeze out of the northwest coming in at around, we'll say 8 to 12 miles per hour. Into the 10-day forecast we go. Again, more cloud cover on Saturday with high temperatures pushing up to around 70 degrees, and then really good chance at some thunder showers there on Sunday. Rain chances already up to around 90%. And as we head into next week, again, going to stay on the milder side with your high temperatures in the 70s on Monday into Tuesday, before perhaps a stronger cold front gets here by next Wednesday or next Thursday, about a week from today, and that could send in even a bigger winter chill.
Not done with winter yet, are we?
Not done just yet, but got to get through February, and then by March or so,
we'll be okay by then, hopefully.
Spring.